Hey y'all, what are you doing? Hey, you just in time to watch me do a little handiwork here. Yeah, put a little filler, make a little filler, um, and then put it in that tight void down here between the top of the air box and the aluminum bit that we put the masking tape on. So you put a little filler down in there first, and the filler will help the fibers to stay stuck in down in there, and it'll fill that sharp area. If you go without any filler at all, I don't care how good you are, you're going to get a little air void down there. And although this isn't a structural piece, it's just really to direct the air to the radiator. Um, you know, you want to do it right, you know. So that's where we're at. Throw this last piece on here. I put some magic marker lines on there to show me where the important, don't really need to get anything any further outside of there. Now, I didn't mix nothing for resin. I mean nothing. Maybe a couple ounces. And that's going to do this bottom piece too. I've only got 2 little layers to go on that bottom piece. So. We don't want to soak it down because then we'll end up having to pull a bunch back out. I mean, a lot of guys do that. They get nervous and just start throw it on. And especially once you've already got a layer or whatever down, it's already loaded with resin. A lot of times, if I'm in a big hurry and I got a lot of different angles to do, I'll throw a bunch on. Then you got to go back and soak it all back up like this and squeegee it out back into your little container. You don't want a ton of thick, glossy resin because that's not what makes this strong. It's the ratio of the two together. So that's it. I'm gonna finish this up. We'll talk to y'all in a bit.